everybody here?
Yeah.
Everybody got glasses on?
Yep.
We're a little farther away this time than we were last time. Because at the lake there's not anywhere
I
to
don't want a
run.
watermelon seed in my eyeball. Oh my god.
Yeah, I don't want to get sprayed with
No, yeah, the Rhine hurt, trust me.
We're gonna get wet.
Yep, I'm feeling that.
Might feel good though. Sticky.
Yeah!
You can really see the pieces going.
I saw that. I saw that. Make a divot in the ground. Make a good divot in the ground.
You see the rain of watermelon around it? You see it's like 3 feet around.
I can smell the watermelon.
Too.
It vaporized most of the water, didn't it?
Yeah.
That's funny.
Oh, we got something burning here.